Hello everyone. In this lecture I am going to continue one important method to solve the recurrence, that is known as the iterative method. Before the iterative method, you know about the recurrence, you know about the three different techniques that are being used to solve the recurrence. First one, substitution method, that is dependent on assumption. Second is your master method, that is applied over the specific type of problem, that is Tn equal to a Tn by v plus Fn. And third one is your recursion tree, that is also used to solve the recurrence. And last one is your iterative method, that is applied to solve any kind of recurrence. So in this lecture I am going to discuss about the general method with the example. So we will try to learn that how we will solve the any recurrence with the help of iterative methods. So as you know, the iterative means repetitive. You will repeat few steps, you will try to find out the proper sequence, and on the basis of sequence you will find out the ith term, and then you will be able to take the decision what will be the solution. So first the question is given Tn equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n. Now we don't know about what will be the sequence to expand this recurrence. So first we will iterate one time, two time, three time, and we will try to find out the sequence. What will be the general sequence of this recurrence? So if we talk about the Tn is divided or Tn is expanded equal to 2 into Tn by 2 plus n. So what will be the next expansion of Tn by 2? So how can we get? So simply in this formula, if n is divided into Tn by 2 plus n terms, then you can put n by 2 in place of n, then you will be able to find out the Tn by 2. So our task is to expand first this Tn by 2. So we have to find out this smaller subproblem that you have divided for the Tn, and you will put the solution of this one. So what will be the expansion of Tn by 2? We can find out here. Tn by 2, we will place n by n by 2. So we will put n by 2 in place of here n by 2, and in place of n here n by 2. Why? Because if we are having n here, then Fn is our n. So if we will have Tn by 2 here, so here n by 2. Here we are having already 2, so we will put the 2 as it is. But here we are having, when we are having n, then here n by 2. So if we are having n by 2, we will have n by 2 by 2. So we have replaced the n by 2, and we found the solution. So that will give you Tn by 2 equal to 2 Tn by 2 by 2 plus n by 2. So if you will find out the solution, it will be 2 dot Tn by 2 square plus n by 2. Now this value you will put into the equation number 1 in place of Tn by 2. So if we put 2 will remain as it is, that is available here. We have to place the expansion of Tn by 2 in place of Tn by 2. So this is the 2Tn by 2 square plus n by 2 you will put here, and plus n is already there. So now you will multiply, so you will get new equation 2 square dot T n by 2 square plus this 2, when you will multiply by n by 2, this 2 will be cancelled out by this 2. So you will get n, and already there is n. So one thing we can see that 2 is having power 2. Here n is divided into 2 power something, and same whatever the power we are having, the same number of time we are getting the n. So again once we can try for the expansion. So we have to expand the Tn by 2 square. So this is the another iteration. So we have to try to find out what will be the expansion of this one. So again we can do that same thing. The n will be replaced by n by 2 square. So put n by 2 square to n by 2 square, divide by 2 is already there, plus if you are having n, you are having n here. If you will have the n by 2 square, you will put here n by 2 square. So you will get 2 dot Tn by 2 square divided by 2 plus n by 2 square. So put this value here. So we have shown here also the expansion. So this Tn by 2 square value you will find 2 dot Tn by 2 to power 3 plus n by 2 square. This value you will put into equation number 2 at the place of Tn by 2 square. So we will find out here Tn equal to 2 square dot. So whatever the value here you will put here. Plus n is already there. So again you will multiply 2 square. So when you will multiply 2 square by 2, it is 2 to power 3 Tn by 2 to power 3 plus 2 square dot n by 2 square. So 2 square will be cancelled. So you will get the Tn equal to 2 to power 3 dot Tn by 2 to power 3 plus n plus n plus n. So whatever the value 2 to power we are having in both the places, in the same number of time we are getting the n. So there is a 3, so 3 times n we are getting. So we can convert this into terms of ith term. So Tn equal to 2 to power 3 Tn by 2 to power 3 plus how many times n? 3 times. So we can convert this iteration and we can consider the ith iteration will be in this term. So this is the 2 to power I Tn by 2 to power I plus I dot n. We are replacing all the 3 by I. Now we have to do, we always know that we will divide, we will have this Tn by 2 to power I up to 1. So we are assuming then n divided by 2 to power I equal to 1. So we will have n equal to 2 to power I, and we will apply the logarithmic on both sides. We will get the log n equal to log 2 to power I. So it will be a log n equal to I log 2 and I equal to log n divided by log 2. So whatever the denominator, that will become as a base of the numerator. So there will be I equal to log 2n. Now put this I value in equation number 4. So in place of I you will put 2 is there, I value of I is log 2n. So you will put here log 2n. Already we have assumed n divided by 2 to power I equal to 1. So in place of n divided by 2 to power I you will put 1. So here there will be T1 plus here I. So in place of I you will put log 2n and n is already there. Now what will be the solution of this one? As you know, a to power log bn equal to n to power log ba. This n can be replaced with this a. You can exchange. So I have exchanged here. Here n will come here and 2 will go there. So log 2 to the base and value are same, it will be 1. And already we are having log 2n dot n, so we can represent it n dot log 2n. So here this can be represented Tn equal to n to power 1 dot T1 plus n log 2n. So this is the highest term in our computation. So we can represent the complexity of the recurrence will be order of n log 2n. So this is the simple way of iterative method. With the help of that 3 to 4 times we can get the sequence. On the basis of sequence we can find out the solution. So you can take different examples and you can try for the iterative method to find out the solution of the recurrence. Thank you. Keep learning.